A devastating fire broke out at Shila Bazaar in Barpeta, Assam, causing significant destruction. The blaze, which erupted late last night, engulfed 15 shops, leaving the local business community in shock. Firefighters battled for hours to contain the flames, but extensive damage was already done. While no casualties have been reported, the financial losses are substantial, and the cause of the fire is still under investigation. This tragic incident highlights the urgent need for enhanced fire safety measures in crowded marketplaces. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story.
हाली गुनाइसे गुडे गुनाइसे जरा সবটা ক্ষতি হয়েছে না ভিডিও লাইভ বুঝছে আর দাদু দাই করছে তো লোক মানে গাঞ্জে পান দেন না লাগে